Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If 2 sine theta minus cos theta equal to 2, then find the value of sine theta plus 2 cos theta. So let's square the given equation, that is 2 sine theta minus cos theta equal to 2. This is given. So squaring, we get 4 sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 4 sine theta cos theta equal to 4. This I am doing with help of identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let's replace sine square theta by 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta by 1 minus sine square theta. So what we have what we have cos square theta minus 4 sine theta cos theta equal to, instead of converting this, let's take this over to right hand side, 4 minus 4 sine square theta. So this is 4 multiplied by 1 minus sine square theta. So we know 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So we'll simply replace it with that. So 4 cos square theta equal to cos square theta minus 4 sine theta cos theta. This we've obtained. Now with this, let's replace cos square theta by 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta minus 4 sine theta cos theta equal to 4 cos square theta. So let's take these two terms over to this side. So they will add. We have 1 equal to sine square theta plus 4 sine theta cos theta plus 4 cos square theta. Now if we observe the right side, we can replace this using an identity, sine theta plus 2 cos theta whole square, using a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and taking square root we get square root, we get sine theta plus 2 cos theta equal to plus minus 1. So this is the answer.